today's lecture. That is, we are going to apply the rules that we have discussed in the previous class. And we are going to apply those rules on examples. Okay. So just open our Jamboard. So this is a problem I have drawn. So now what we are going to do, we know that, acha, tell me what we have discussed in the previous class. We have discussed that the signal, when it flows from left hand side to right hand side, it is the path through which the signal flows from left hand side towards right hand side is the called feed forward path. So can you tell me what is the feed forward path here? Which one is the feed forward path? Which one is the feed forward path? Can anyone tell me? The blocks. Which is the feed forward path?
R to G1.
R from the signal coming from R. And there,
To
1 minute. Someone came. Okay. So R to G1 and then G2 and G3 up to C. So this is the one feed forward path we are getting. Okay. Any other feed forward path present in this diagram? Any other feed forward path where signal
G1, ma'am, then G1, G4, G3.
Yes, yes. So another feed forward path is the signal is from R, then coming to G1, then it is branching and it is coming in parallel with G2, in parallel with G2, that is through G4, and then it is going towards the output C. So this is also the second feed forward path. So we are getting in this block diagram, there are two feed forward paths. And are feed forward path?
No.
No. So, and how many feedback paths? 1 minute. Okay. So we are also getting that the feedback path is one is this way, in this way, because signal is flowing in the opposite direction, as I have told you. And another is from this takeaway point, and the branching is from this way to this way. So this is another feedback path. And we know if there are signals, we have to consider how the signals are flowing, and as per that we have to use our rules. Okay. So let's start with this one. Okay. To reduce what we have to do, block diagram reduction means we have to reduce the whole block, this whole block, into a single part. What is the single part? We will going to get the whole block, we will get only the R. There will be a single transfer function, overall transfer function of the whole block diagram, and whose output will be C. So these whole block we have to convert to a single block. Okay. So this is our G. So we have to get the G resultant. For G resultant, we need to take the help of those laws. Okay. Now, how we will proceed? First, we have to get which part I would like to reduce first, so that my other parts become easier for me. So I am getting that this G4 and G2, they are in parallel because the signal is flowing here and here. So, and we know if two signals are in parallel added to a summer, we can just sum, if we sum the two transfer function blocks, the final resultant value will be same for the sum. Okay. So instead of G4 and G2, we can able to write this block G2 plus G4. Okay. So from this, our first block diagram will look like this will be my R. This R is going into, this will be, this is the this first summer, and from the summer this is going to G1. Okay, this is going to G1. Next is this path we are going to simplify, and it will become G2 plus G4 because they are in parallel. So we are reducing. So this block is becoming G2 plus G4. That means these two signal, though no requirement of summer is now, but this summer is required for the feedback path. And we also know there is a formula of feedback. What type of feedback it is? We are getting that it is a negative feedback. And what of negative feedback? For this particular block, we can able to কিছু বলবে?
No, ma'am.
Okay, we can able to substitute this as G3 upon 1 plus G3H1. So we can reduce this whole feedback system with this simple transfer function. Okay, so what I am doing in the next block, I am reducing this part as G2 plus G4, as well as if I want to just get rid of this summer, I can able to reduce these also with a simple feedback loop. That is the formula of G by 1 plus GH, because it is a negative feedback. So as per that, we have to write it in the way the feed forward path is G3 by 1 plus G3 into H1. So 1 plus G3 into H1. So this summer is out of the system, as well as this feedback path is also out of the system. So I can draw the next reduced loop as this. The first reduced step as this. Okay, so this is my step 1 after reduction of this and this part. Understood? Any query? If not, then I will proceed to the next step.
No, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Then, so now these three, we also know that if the transfer functions, they are in series in the feed forward path, they will be known as cascading, or we can able to multiply the transfer function to get the resultant transfer function. So what will be the, I am deleting this, so I am trying to draw the next part. I am deleting this because I don't have space. Okay, so next, the step 2. Second step, I am trying to draw from the step 1. So what will be the next step? This, and this. 3 blocks, they are in cascaded form. That means they are in series. So I can able to write, it will be just simple multiplication. And this simple multiplied thing will be in feedback. Okay, so what I can write? So first I am just multiplying them. This is plus, this is minus, this is the summer. And what is the multiplication coming? G1 into G2, G4 into G3. That means G1, G3 into G2 plus G4. Okay, so this is the numerator. And what is the denominator? The denominator is coming as 1 plus into H1. So this is the understood. This is the block. And see. So tell me. So this is now reduced to this form. Okay. Now tell me what we can do. Who will tell me what we can do now? What to do next to make a single block, single transfer function, or to get the resultant transfer function? What to do next?
And that gain divided by 1 plus that gain means
Yes,
here
yes.
h is 1, so
Yes, very good, very good. So we will just going to reduce with the feedback formula, and we will get the overall transfer function of the system, or resultant transfer function of the system. Very good. So that is the thing what he said. This is a very simple block diagram. I have started with a simple one. I will go into the I will show you different methods, and I will go to the different a bit complicated one. So what we have to do, this is the transfer function. So the final transfer function will be G1, G3, G2 plus G4 by 1 each one. This is the upper form. G1, G by 1 plus GH. So 1 plus this. Because H is, as he said, that H is 1. So it will be G1, G3, G2 plus G4, 1 plus G3, H1. So now we have to add, and then this will go out, and it will be finally, it will be G1, G3 into G2, G4 divided by 1 plus G3, H1 plus this term. So it will be our final transfer function. Okay. In this way, we have to get up to the last point. Okay. So I am any question? Otherwise, I will go for our next problem. I guess there is no question, so I'm going for the next problem. Okay. So we are going for the second problem. Problem number 2 on block diagram reduction. So here, what I am getting, the problem is like there are two summer. There is a summer plus minus. This is my R. Okay. And then there is another summer, and it is also plus, and this is minus. Now there comes a block which is G1, and then again there is a summer. Okay. So this summer is having a plus from this, and there is a minus over here. Okay. Now from this point, there is a takeaway point, and the takeaway point is going to the second summer from the first, and here there comes the feedback element H1. Okay. Now this feedback element H2 is present here. Now from this point, there comes another feed forward path G2, for feed forward path element G2, and H2 is connected with G2 at the end point C. Understood? And from here, there is also one tapping which is coming at this summer. So this is our system. Okay. So what is the system? Input is going to a summer. Then another summer is there. There is a G1 transfer function, and it is going to a summer. Now here after this, there comes a takeaway point, takeoff point. And then after the takeoff point, I am getting another G2. And then comes the output value, output point see, and here also there is one feedback path over here and another feedback path over here. Okay. So this is the block diagram. Now we need to reduce this block diagram. Can anyone tell me what will be our first step? What will be our first step? Which part we should take care
H1
first?
টাকে ওই সামিং পয়েন্টের পিছনে নিয়ে যেতে হবে।
H1, এই H1 টাকে, তাই তো? এই H1 টাকে কোথায় নিয়ে যাব আমরা?
এই সামিং পয়েন্টের মানে
এইদিকে লেফটে
Left
যাব,
side এ।
আগে হ্যাঁ
আগে যাব না পরে যাব?
হ্যাঁ এই দিকটাতে যাবো, প্লাসের দিকটাতে যাবো ম্যাম।
প্লাসের দিকটাতে যেতে চাইছো, মানে এটাকে এখানে আনতে চাইছো?
হ্যাঁ
আচ্ছা
ম্যাম।
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা, তুমি আমাকে বলো আমরা কি কি পড়েছিলাম? আমরা পড়েছিলাম যে সিগন্যাল গুলো, একবার রুল গুলো মনে আছে? রুল গুলো কি কি পড়েছিলাম?
সামিং পয়েন্টের অ্যাহেডে মুভ করা আর সামিং পয়েন্টের বিফোরে মুভ করা।
কাকে? ব্লককে না টেক অফ পয়েন্টকে? আমরা করেছিলাম টেক অফ পয়েন্টকে ব্লকের অ্যাহেডে মুভ করা অথবা ব্লকের সিগন্যালের দিকে মুভ করা অথবা এগেইনস্ট দ্য সিগন্যাল মুভ করা, তাই তো? আর কি করেছিলাম? সামারকে ব্লকের আগে মুভ করা অথবা পেছনে মুভ করা। কিন্তু এটা কি আমরা করেছিলাম যে ইফ উই ওয়ান্ট টু মুভ দ্য টেক অফ পয়েন্ট অ্যাহেড অফ সামার, সেটা কি আমাদের রুলে ছিল? আমি কি কোন জায়গাটায় ক্লুটা দিতে চাইছি বুঝতে পারছো? ডু ইউ আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড? We have done few rules. The rule, one of the rule was we can able to, আমাদের এটার উপর কিন্তু ইজিয়ার হবে করতে, আদারওয়াইজ ইট উইল বি ভেরি ডিফিকাল্ট। তুমি যদি মুভটা অন্যরকম নাও না, it may become difficult. So if you think of the rule, it will be easier. What was the rule? The rule was we can take the takeoff point either in front of a block or behind of a block. এটা ছিল। And similarly summer, we can take a summer in front of a block or behind of a block. ঠিক আছে? এবার সেই পয়েন্ট অনুযায়ী যদি আমি দেখি, তাহলে we cannot move because we haven't done a simplified solution that we can move these point in front of this summer. Rather, if we think in this way that we can move this point here, we have the rule with us. বুঝতে পারছো what I try to say? If I want to move this takeoff point in direction with the signal flow, I can move it from here to here. Then we can able to solve it easily because this is hindrance. It is in the takeoff in between. It is making me difficult. So if you want to move it, ওটাও হয়ে গেলে easier হতো, but that will make the system bit complicated. Rather, if I go in this way, it also make the whole thing simpler. Do you understand what I told, or আমি আবার বলবো otherwise?
বুঝেছি।
বুঝেছো তো? ওকে, so then we are going to move this. এবার এটাকে মুভ করলে কি করতে হবে? What will be the arrangement? Because we know that this will be the final signal should be same. Whatever we do, the final signal should be same. So if I move this block, what is the extra signal? If I move this block, that means it will look like this. It will be from, it will now come from here. So initially when it was coming from here, no G2 part was present in this signal. But as it is coming from here, naturally G2 will be come along with H1. So here, if I want to make the system similar, what I have to do? I have to take a G2 divided by G1. So I shall take this block. It is not taking it as H1. What should I take? I will take it as H1 by G2. Do you get my point? Do you understand what I try to mean?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. So that means my step is now like this. My system become like this. That means my system is like this now. Okay. And now tell me what we can do. We can reduce this part now. We can reduce this part because there is no blocking. So I can reduce this part. So this part, this summer will go off. If I reduce this part, this summer will go off. So what will be this transfer function? The transfer function will be G2 by
G
1
1
plus.
plus G2H2.
Yes, very good. G2H2. That means, so my step 2 is now, this is my step 1. So my step 2 will be my R. This is the summer minus, this is another summer. This is my G1, and this G1, basically now if I open this part, this transfer function will come, and G1 is, G1 is in series with the whole transfer function. So I am writing, multiplying both of them, I am writing it as, this is basically G1, G2 by 1 plus G2 into H2, because if I open this summer, I will get that this block will be in series with G1. Okay. So this is my, here, now I will get that H1 by G2. Understood? And then, so now it is become simple. What we have to do? Now we have to reduce this part. This will be simplified, and then we have to reduce again. That means two feedback. One will be of like this part. One will be remove this part, and another will be, there will be a big transfer function. Another will be going to remove the whole thing. So there will be two part. Okay. I think you understood, right? Or I have to say again? You understood? Yes. Tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
then I go to the next problem. Okay. That problem I am taking three different problems so that you can understand. So that the next problem approach is a bit different. So just I am clearing the frame. So we are going for our third problem. Problem number 3. So this is a simple problem, but where is the problem? Yes. Okay. So here, yes. Okay. So now my third problem is R, and there is a summer. There is a summer. Okay. Now I am getting a G1 block over here. This is my G1, and I am getting plus and this is R, and here I am getting a parallel G3 which is connected to this second summer, and the signal is coming from R. Okay, so this is a parallel path. And then you will find a G2 block here. And this is my C output. Okay. So this is my block diagram and I have to reduce. Now, can you identify where is the hindrance? Where the problem lies? Can anyone tell me what should we do in the first step? What action we should take in the step 1 to reduce this block diagram? No clue? Hmm? No clue? Shubhadeep? Shubhajit? Anyone? Surojit? No one?
ম্যাম ওই স্ক্রিনটা একবার দেখান দেখতে দেখতে
হ্যাঁ ম্যাম স্ক্রিনটা দেখান।
হ্যাঁ বলো বলো।
G3টাকে করতে হবে ওই
হ্যাঁ এটা তো দেখতেই পাচ্ছ, because there is a summer we should shift we should have to do something so that we can get rid of the summer, because if this summer is not, either we have to take this summer out of here or we have to take this summer here, so
Ma'am.
that হ্যাঁ বলো।
ম্যাম G3টাকে কি 1/G3 করে করতে হবে?
হ্যাঁ মানে সেটাকে আমি যে সেটা করব তার জন্য আমাকে অ্যাকশনটা কি নিতে হবে, আমার এই সামারটার জন্য এই দুটোকে আমি প্যারালাল করতে পারছি না, তাই তো? দে আর নট বিকামিং প্যারালাল বিকজ
ম্যাম তাহলে এই সামারটাকে আর এর আগে নিয়ে যেতে হবে, মানে এটাকে এর বিফোর নিয়ে যেতে হবে।
বিফোর মানে কি টুয়ার্ডস দ্য আর অর টুয়ার্ডস দ্য G1?
আর
ওকে ওকে, টুয়ার্ডস দ্য আর। এখানে কিন্তু হবে, এই পার্টিকুলার প্রবলেমটায় খুব অসুবিধা হবে না, হয়তো হবে, বাট আমি তোমাকে যেটা বললাম উই উইল গো ফর দ্য রুলস ফার্স্ট, তাহলে আমাদের জিনিসটা ইজিয়ার হয়। আমার দেখো উই ক্যান এবল টু শিফট, আমাকে তো ডিসিশন নিতে হবে, তুমি যেটা বলছো সেটাও হবে, একদম হবে, কিন্তু এটা কি বলছো, ইদার আই ক্যান শিফট দিস সামার হিয়ার সো দ্যাট দিস টু ব্লকস বিকাম প্যারালাল, or I can shift this summer here also so that this two becomes parallel. বুঝতে পারছো?
ইয়েস ম্যাম।
হ্যাঁ, তাহলে এবার as per my rule I can able to shift a summer in front of a block. সেই রুলটা আমার কাছে আছে, আমি জাস্ট ওটাকে ইউজ করে নিতে পারি, এই রুলটা কিন্তু আমার কাছে নেই। এটা করতে হলে আমাকে আরেকটু কমপ্লিকেটেড ওয়েতে ভাবতে হবে, ইট উইল হ্যাপেন, বাট উই উইল অলওয়েজ, আমি তোমাদের ইজিয়ার করার জন্য কিন্তু এটা ক্লু দিচ্ছি, ক্লুই বলছি, অলওয়েজ ওয়েন ইউ আর, তোমার যখন মনে হবে যে which should I shift, either left or in right, always try to think in which side if I shift I will get the help of the rules. ওকে, এবার দুদিকের কোনোটাতেই যদি তুমি রুলের হেল্প না পাও then you can shift in either way. Okay, but in this way, in the right hand side I am getting the help of the rule, so I will try to move in the right hand side direction first. Understood?
Yes ma'am.
Okay, thank you. আচ্ছা, তাহলে আমরা এবার ডিসিশন নিয়েছি যে we will move towards the right hand side, that means we will move in the direction of signal flow. তার মানে আমার সামার I am going to take it here. ওকে, এবার যদি সেটা করি তাহলে আমার কি কি চেঞ্জেস হবে? If my summer comes here, what will be the change? If my summer comes here, it will not get the G1. এখানে কি হচ্ছিল? What the signal is coming, whether this one or this one. These two are uh, summed or compared, and the final signal X is coming here, and this X multiplied with G1 coming to this summer. But if I directly put this summer here, what will be the value coming? This signal,
G1.
হ্যাঁ, this signal will not get G1. তাই তো? So if I want to maintain all the signals same, so দেখো তো এটা হয় কিনা? Just think. This R, I would like to take this summer here. So my G1 will be now here. My takeaway point is here, and here, after here, I am putting this summer. এইটাকে আমি এখানে নিয়ে যাচ্ছি। Okay, so this is plus and this is minus. So now what is not coming? The G1 is not coming. When this is coming through this way, G1 was coming with it. But now G1 is not coming. So I have to take the G1 in the feedback path. So if I draw the new diagram, it will be like this. It will be, so I have to multiply G1 because it is 1, so I have to multiply it with G1, and then I will draw here G2, and here it will be C, and from tapping C, this will come. So my signal will look like this now. Okay? এখানে এবার সমস্যা কি? নাও আমি যদি দেখি এই সিগন্যালটাকে, if I able to shift them, দেখো আমি তোমাদের আগের দিন বলেছিলাম there are some additional key features. We can able to shift the summers. We can able to shift the position of the summers. There will be no harm in it. তার মানে এটা যেহেতু এখানে আর এটা এখানে আছে, so there is a কি বলবো একটা টুইস্ট হয়ে আছে। সো ইফ আই ওয়ান্ট টু মুভ দিস সামার হিয়ার অ্যান্ড পুট ইট হিয়ার, তাহলে ওই জটটা ছেড়ে যায়। ওকে, উই ক্যান এবল টু ওপেন দ্য নট যেটা এখানে হয়ে আছে। সো তার জন্য আমি কি করব? আই উইল জাস্ট ইন্টারচেঞ্জ দ্য পজিশন অফ টু সামার্স। তো হোয়াট ইজ দ্য সেকেন্ড স্টেপ আই এম টেকিং? I will interchange the position of the summers. Okay, so তাহলে কেমন হবে ব্যাপারটা? It will be in the step 2, the thing will be like R, and it will be G1, and I will take this summer, the second summer first. There will be, you have to do nothing if you just going to interchange position of the summer. So only what will come here, what was coming, G3 was coming, so G3 will come to this summer. And this part, what will going to happen? It will come to the second. So now this summer, the feedback path will come here, and then G2 will come. And here, what was the feedback element? G1. So G1 will come. So this will be the simplified form. Now you can able to understand this becomes very simple because this is now in parallel and these two are in feedback. So what we have to do? We will just write G1 plus G3 and replacing this summer. And just writing the feedback formula, we can able to replace this summer. And then we have to do the cascading. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We have covered our class. So our timing is also has ended. So I am taking the attendance and allow you to leave the class. 1 minute.